Hi guys, so the Thanksgiving is around the corner. It's going to be on the 28th of November 2024, and I'm working on that Thanksgiving day. So my Odogo already bought turkey for Thanksgiving. Trying to, he already seasoned it. See, this turkey is marinette, you know. Honey, it's not a marinette. Yeah, so Odogu bought a big turkey. Odogu bought a very big turkey. Thanksgiving turkey. Who they check? Oh, who they check? This turkey is so big. Honey, can you get olives? Yeah. What kind of leaves? Okay, Odogu is using Nchanwo. In English is St. Leaf. Nchanwo and Osisa. Otaza. Yeah, potato. That's one thing.
Potato, yes.
And potato.
Potato as a stuffing.
Oh, so Odogu is using potato.
Like garlic.
Garlic. This one is really natural. Natural what? Natural seasoning. So he's using garlic.
No GMO.
No GMO, no artificial, garlic, potato, scent leaf, what's that? Osisa. So he's using all the African spices.
Yes, African spices.
Yeah, so this is our Thanksgiving turkey. Alright, stay tuned. Let's see the finishing point, the ending point of this turkey.
You gotta invite them to come and eat.
Yeah, Odogu is inviting all of you to come and eat this turkey, Thanksgiving turkey, in African what? This Odogu is making the Thanksgiving turkey in African way. Alright, stay tuned.